Welcome to the deep dive. We're here to cut through the noise, get straight to what's really happening. Today, we are plunging right into this fascinating and honestly kind of accelerating world of AI design tools. If you're involved in content creation, marketing, even pure art, you know the pressure. High quality visuals, fast, it's huge. So, our mission here is to explore two, well, really prominent platforms, Freepik AI and Krea. These aren't just making noise, they're genuinely changing creative workflows, especially now in 2025. We're going to unpack what makes them tick, how they serve really different needs, and hopefully give you those clear insights, those aha moments, so you can think strategically about using AI yourself.
Yeah, it's an incredibly exciting time, actually. The pace of AI innovation is just,
Mhm.
wow, astounding. And it's becoming so important not just to know about these tools, but to really get what they can do, their specific capabilities, and
Yeah.
maybe even sort of their underlying philosophy. So this deep dive, yeah, it's exactly about that clarity, helping you quickly grasp the core idea, the practical uses of each one. Think of it like a shortcut, get you informed without that feeling of being totally overloaded, which happens so easily in this field.
Okay, great. Let's unpack that. For a while, AI art meant maybe some basic image generation, cool graphics perhaps, but not always production ready stuff. Would you say 2025 is really a new era? Like we're seeing truly specialized, sophisticated platforms now?
Oh, absolutely. What we're seeing is a profound evolution. It's not just small updates. Tools like Freepik AI and Krea, they really represent the forefront of AI design right now. They show just how far things have come, moving beyond novelty into being, well, core parts of professional creative work. The real aha moment, I think, is that AI isn't just generating images anymore. It's becoming an extension of the creative process itself. Platforms are specializing to solve specific industry problems, and that specialization, that's the game changer. It lets you pick a tool that fits your workflow, your desired outcome.
That's a really key distinction. So less like a general paintbrush, more like specialized power tools for creativity. Okay, if we're talking specialization, let's dive into Freepik AI first. We've heard it described as this all-in-one creative platform. How accurate is that, and who's it really built for?
Freepik AI definitely tries to live up to that all-in-one idea. It was pretty compelling for a certain type of creator. At its heart, it's about efficiency, professional output, almost like a really well-equipped digital studio just in your browser. It's core stuff where you've got AI image generation, naturally, but also video generation. That's a powerful mix for content, folks. But then it adds things like 4K upscaling, so you can take a quick AI draft and make it print ready, essentially. Billboard quality even, plus mock-up creation tools and, interestingly, integrated voiceover capabilities.
Wait, integrated voiceover. That simplifies things a lot, doesn't it?
Exactly. No jumping between different software for visuals and audio. For, say, a marketer or a social media manager, the aha is this kind of democratized access to professional campaigns. What used to take weeks, maybe multiple specialists, you could potentially spin up in hours, generate visuals, tweak them, put them in mock-ups, add a voice track all in one place. It makes professional marketing much more affordable, more agile. So the target user,
Yeah.
marketers, designers, content creators who need good visuals, quickly. And the interface is pretty easy to use, which helps lower that barrier to entry. You can just sort of jump in.
That really does sound ideal for tight deadlines where speed and a polished look are everything. But does that speed, that ease of use sometimes mean you sacrifice a bit of like a unique aesthetic? Or is the AI good enough to avoid that cookie cutter feel?
That's a fair question, and it touches on how sophisticated these AI models are getting. Freepik AI is really good at delivering, clean textures, realistic skin tones. It produces high-quality, ready-made content, stuff that works well for campaigns, presentations. It's maybe less focused on wildly experimental art and more on hitting that high bar for commercial appeal, professional polish consistently. A big part of its strength is also its connection to Freepik's huge marketplace, creative resources, stock assets. So the AI is trained on and can integrate with this massive library of established quality aesthetics. So yeah, there's variety, but it tends to stay within that commercially viable zone. It's perfect if you prioritize speed, a streamlined workflow for commercial projects, and having that rich asset library readily available.
Okay, so Freepik AI, the efficiency engine, the all-in-one workhorse for rapid professional content. Got it. Now let's pivot. Krea sounds like it takes a completely different approach, more about real-time interaction, artistic depth. This is where it gets really interesting, I think. What makes Krea stand out?
Krea absolutely shifts gears. It's much more about deep customization, artistic exploration. While Freepik streamlines, Krea focuses on a personalized, interactive design process. It's pushing what real-time AI creation actually means. Key features. Well, Live canvas updates, that's huge. It fundamentally changes the feedback loop. Instead of prompt, wait, render, tweak, wait, you're seeing changes instantly as you make choices. It feels almost like sculpting with light and code at the same time. It also uses chat-driven prompts, which can feel more intuitive, more conversational than just typing keywords.
Sculpting with light and code. I like that description. What does that immediate feedback actually unlock for an artist compared to other tools?
Well, the insight there, I think, is that Krea isn't just faster. It's redefining the digital sketchpad. It lets artists sort of think aloud with the AI. You can rapidly prototype complex ideas that might have been really hard to visualize or execute before. It becomes this fluid, iterative thing. The AI feels less like a black box, more like a responsive, intelligent collaborator. Beyond that, Krea also has ultra-high-res upscaling, similar to Freepik, but then it adds advanced stuff, like 3D modeling. You can generate unique 3D assets from prompts. And even lip-sync animation tools. Very powerful for character work, storytelling.
Wow, 3D modeling and lip sync. That definitely suggests a different level of creative ambition. Who finds Krea indispensable then?
Krea is really perfect for concept artists, maybe indie animators, brands looking for truly unique, custom visuals. People who want high artistic control and love to experiment. It offers just extensive flexibility. And a huge feature is its support for over 2,500 AI models. That's
Yeah.
a lot. It means artists can tap into this vast range of pre-trained styles. Photorealism, abstract painting, specific architectural looks, even obscure art movements, all usable within that live canvas, that library, plus the real-time feedback. It really empowers you to push artistic limits. Plus, it integrates smoothly with common design software, so it fits into existing pro workflows.
Over 2,500 models. That's staggering. It's not just what the AI does, but the sheer range of styles it can mimic or invent. It sounds like Krea puts the artist more in the role of a conductor, maybe, orchestrating all these AI styles in real time. Which I guess brings up that important question. How much does that interactivity, that fine-grained control, matter for your specific project?
Precisely. If you want to sculpt your vision with incredible detail, getting constant feedback, Krea is designed for that. It's all about deep customization. The creative process itself, the journey of discovery and interaction, is just as important as the final image. The aha for that user is maintaining a distinct artistic voice, even with powerful AI, because they are driving the aesthetic evolution moment by moment.
Okay, so we've got Freepik AI efficient, all in one, built for speed and professional output in a big creative suite. And then Krea real time, highly customizable, focused on deep artistic exploration and unique results. So, what's the bottom line for you, the listener? How do you choose your AI creative partner here?
Yeah, the distinction becomes pretty clear when you think about your main goal. If you need fast, polished visuals and you like working within a comprehensive suite with lots of assets ready to go, especially for things like marketing campaigns, presentations, general commercial work where that ecosystem speeds things up, then yeah, you probably lean towards Freepik AI. It's built to get professional stuff out the door quickly, smoothly.
Right. And conversely, if you prefer real-time control, deep customization, advanced artistic tools, if you want to create really unique, tailored designs, and that process of interaction and experimentation is key for you, then Krea sounds like the better fit. It's for diving deep, really sculpting your vision.
Exactly. Look, both platforms are incredibly capable. They really represent the top tier of AI design tools in 2025. But they embody different creative philosophies, don't they? Freepik AI offers this powerful solution for efficient, often ready-made production within a strong commercial ecosystem. Krea, on the other hand, is built for that in-depth, highly customizable artistic journey. Real-time control, unique output. Your choice really boils down to, is your priority streamlined efficiency and broad utility?
Yeah.
Or is it deep customization and artistic innovation for something truly one of a kind?
That makes it very clear. It really helps frame the decision around specific creative needs. So, to recap quickly, Freepik AI for speed, polish, broad utility in one package. Market ready, Krea for the artistic explorer,
Mhm.
deep customization, real-time interaction, experimentation for bespoke visuals. The key really is thinking about your needs, your goals, the workflow that empowers you. Are you optimizing for velocity or for that visionary depth?
And as these tools get more specialized, like we've discussed today, it does raise a fascinating, almost philosophical point about human creativity. If AI can handle both the broad, efficient stuff and the deep, real-time artistic sculpting, what does that mean for the human creative's role? Will we see even more distinct artistic styles emerge, maybe tied to specific AI platforms, new kinds of human-machine partnerships? Or could it lead to entirely new ways of collaborating on designs, blending human intent and AI generation in ways we can't even predict right now? Definitely something for you to ponder as you explore your own creative frontiers with these, frankly, remarkable tools.